Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. Remember, brothers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls him Ra'uf, Rahim, kind. He's coming as a man, a big favor on us. And so many virtues. Shahid, Bashir, a lamp of light, a big, huge lamp of light like the sun in the daylight. Gentle and kind personality. And this is the one who Isa alayhi salam, Musa was waiting for. And Isa said, a comforter forever, forever to be with you. Now let us see what Allah told him to tell us in his own words. How he told us about himself. He once said, Allah gave me 4 things. Remember the favor, the man. Here comes more man. This is now sunnah. Allah gave me 4 things. لم يعطهن أعطيت أربعا لم يعطهن أحد من أنبياء الله. مسند أحمد. Then he says أعطيت خمسا لم يعطهن أحد من الأنبياء قبلي. Then he says فضلت على الأنبياء ب6. Then he said أعطيت ما لم يعطي أحد من الأنبياء. He started with 4. He said Allah gave me 4 that nobody has been given before. Then he said Allah gave me 5 things that nobody has been given before. Then he said Allah gave me 6 things that nobody has been given before. Then he said Allah gave me what Allah has not given to anyone. How could one khutbah do justice with this, my brothers? Quickly, I will highlight this inshallah. He says Allah gave me, I'm not going to say the Arabic, Allah gave me conciseness of speech, Jawami al-Kalim. Allah gave me nusra, strength, victory by ru'b, just by awe in the hearts of the enemies of Islam, by a distance of a month. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me the keys of the treasures of the earth while I was in sleep. And Allah put them on my palm. And he says, Allah made ghanaim halal for me, and for no prophet they were made halal, the spoils before. Allah made the whole earth for me, masjid and tahura. You are benefiting from all this. Meaning he says, you can pray anywhere you can now after this. And he says, number 6, وَأُرْسِلْتُ إِلَى الْخَلْقِ كَافَةً. I have been sent to all mankind. Yet the previous prophets were sent to their areas. Remember, Isa said he will be with you forever. This is what it means. This is what it means. He said he will be with you forever. He says, وَبُعِثْتُ إِلَى النَّاسِ كَافَّةً وَأُرْسِلْتُ إِلَى الْخَلْقِ كَافَّةً. Like Bible is saying. For all mankind and the jinn kind. And number 7, this is now going to end. That's it. This is the best you could get. This is the highest of the favors. You can't get anything better than that now. That's why I am the seal of the prophets of Allah. This is also a favor from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nobody is given that. And he says, I have been given shafa'ah that no prophet has been given before me. This is tricky. Inshallah, another khutbah I will tell you about it. What is this shafa'ah that only Rasulullah has? It's called the great shafa'ah. The great shafa'ah. The only one who will speak to God the first is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The only one who will make sajda to Allah first is Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is that shafa'ah that nobody, no one in humanity has ever been given before and will be ever given before, ever. He says, I am named Ahmad. Bashir like Allah says, Bashir al-Mu'mineen, I have bashara for you. This is number 9. Believers. He's saying that for you. He says, my ummah, God has made my ummah, you people, min khayr al-umam. جعلت أمتي خير الأمم. خير الأمم. اللهم اجعلنا منهم. May Allah make us such. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the true love of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.